Want to dominate TikTok without ever showing your face? Let's dive in. First, focus on content ideas that thrive without personal appearances. Tutorials, DIY projects, screen recordings, animations, and text-based storytelling are gold mines for faceless content. Next, optimize for the algorithm. Use trending sounds, participate in challenges, and post consistently at peak engagement times. Captions and hashtags play a crucial role. Include relevant, trending ones to maximize reach. Engagement tactics are your best friend. Respond to comments, create polls, and encourage viewers to duet or stitch your videos. User interaction signals the algorithm to boost your content. For monetization, consider joining the TikTok Creator Fund, partnering with brands for sponsored posts, or promoting affiliate products discreetly. Selling digital products or offering services like shoutouts can also generate income. Remember, creativity and consistency are key to building a profitable, faceless TikTok account. Keep experimenting with what works and watch your engagement soar. Don't forget to stay updated with TikTok trends and adapt your strategies accordingly. Consistent effort and strategic planning will lead you to TikTok success without ever revealing your face.